Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than usual. In the video, I am using the Boss Mood by Morphe. It is the 35M palette. I will not be showing the colors of what I used, just the name of the palette. So I wanted to come and explain to y'all my last week and a half. I have been absent, if you haven't noticed, and I am grateful for everyone who has been here for me. So about once every 4 to 8 weeks, I have a total mental breakdown and emotional breakdown. And last week I was in a very big depression / anxiety place in my life, and I did not get off the couch for 3 days. Yes, it's horrible. No, I don't want nobody to feel sorry for me. So this video is just, that's why I'm calling this video blending therapy, because for me to just be able to sit down, make a look, create a look, blend eyeshadow, listen to music, and just be able to chill really helps me mentally. It really excites me and makes me happy. So this is pretty much what this video is. I have realized that the older I get, the more unstabilized I get, emotionally stable. I am trying to cope with it as much as possible, and I know everyone has their day-to-day struggles, and I just want y'all to know you are not alone. You are never alone, and I really appreciate all of you, and I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. This idea of the video came from Alyssa Ashley. I seen her do a makeup therapy video, and it really hit home to me, so I kind of wanted to do the same thing, and I really hope y'all enjoy it. I really hope that if y'all are struggling with depression and anxiety, that you find a way to make it better for yourselves. I know when you get in the rut, it's hard to get out of. So you guys, please join the party if you are not a part of it. I would love for y'all to be one of my VIPs. I will hush my mouth now and let y'all watch. I love you all so much, and have a very blessed week.
I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it.